everyone! Welcome back to another Free Roaming Friends video. Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour of Universal Studios Cabana Bay Beach Resort. This was our first time staying here and we really enjoyed it. This was Universal's first resort to offer moderate and value hotel pricing, and it has a very retro 50s and 60s feel. Equipped with standard rooms, family suites, and 2-bedroom suites, this place can hold a variety of travel parties, but we're going to focus on standard rooms today. So, let's take a look. So we've got a nice sink area. The whole resort is themed to the 50s, I believe. So
it's retro.
Retro, fun.
Shampoos and soap.
So we've got some zest, some really cool little details to just kind of bring you back to the before time. But you've got a sink on the outside, and you've got the toilet and the shower on the inside. The nice full-length mirror. You've got some VO5 shampoo and conditioner. Fun stuff, fun stuff, fun stuff.
I didn't know they made VO5 anymore.
I know, but they do, isn't it?
Like, it is a throwback.
It is a throwback. Now, we've got a nice big closet here. Very nice size closet with your ironing board and your luggage rack, some extra blankets, iron safe is back there. And then that brings us to beds. Very retro, very fun theme going on in here. I love the lights and the colors and everything. We've got these really cool lights above the bed, and then we've also got a table, chairs, little coffee area, this really cool light above the table, very large windows, of course a nice size TV. We've got plenty of drawer
pretty
space.
large drawers.
Yeah, 4 very large drawers. Plenty of drawer space if you are someone that likes to unpack all of your stuff.
Mini fridge.
We do have a mini fridge as well.
Do not see a microwave.
No, no microwave.
So there is an iron and there's a safe.
Yes. And of course you've got your thermostat on the wall right there.
Which you can set lower than you thought.
And then we've got the phone, of course, this nice little Cabana Bay notepad. The remote came in plastic. I'm guessing, you know, they cleaned it similar to Disney. Then they wrap it so you know it's been cleaned. We've already taken it out though. And then there's this really cool clock. I remember this clock from a long time ago.
So we've had several comments and people reach out when we do these resort overviews. There is a mini fridge in this room. There is an iron. There's a little coffee station that brews the little coffee pods, but there is no microwave and there is no kitchenette, but there's plenty of counter space to work on. So yeah, you can have cold food and things that would go in the fridge, but as far as heating things up for in-room stuff, it's not your best option. The cafe downstairs is absolutely huge, and there's a bar in the lobby, which we're gonna go check out.
This resort has a lot of dining options to choose from, with the main one being the Bayliner Diner. It can seat well over 500 people, is available for dine-in and grab-and-go, and it has the same retro style with screens that play commercials from the 50s and 60s. Galaxy Bowl is another dining location that sits alongside an actual bowling alley. You heard that right, a 10-lane bowling alley. Seating is limited, but this is another full-service dining option. There are 2 pools to enjoy at this resort, one located in the Atomic Courtyard and the other in the Lazy River Courtyard. Yes, you heard correctly, there is also a lazy river, along with a 100-foot water slide and many other poolside activities to participate in. Circling back to food options, there are also 2 outdoor locations. Hideaway Bar and Grill, and Atomic Tonic, so you won't have to venture inside when you're out by the pool. The Universal Orlando Resort store, located to the left as you enter the lobby, has everything you need from Dr. Seuss to Harry Potter to Marvel and so on. It also has essential items that you may have forgotten to pack or need more of. And the last food option for the resort is, of course, Starbucks, which is located to the left of the resort store. One of the biggest perks about staying at this resort is its proximity to the parks. There is bus transportation, but there is also a walking trail that is shaded and a really easy, enjoyable walk with its own security area. It took us about 20 minutes to and from using this path, and it takes you right into City Walk. With 2,200 rooms, this place can hold a lot of people, and we thought it was very reasonably priced for all that you get by staying here. Standard rooms range in price from $114 to $239 a night, depending on what time of year you visit, which is comparable to a Disney Value or Moderate resort. You also have an $18 a night parking fee. One very big perk of staying here is the access to early theme park admission. Universal Resort guests are able to get into the parks an hour early every day, which means you can ride a lot of rides with minimal waits most of the time. Although this resort does not get you unlimited express pass, we still felt it was well worth the money. A few other perks include scheduled transportation to SeaWorld and Aquatica, an on-site physical fitness studio, and its proximity to Volcano Bay. So for our first time staying here, we were very impressed. If you want a fun, comfortable place to stay with a lot to do, good prices, and close proximity to the parks, this may just be the place for you.